walk. Okay? Yes, just walk. You're running.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys maybe... Yes, Malia? Yes, Mama? Yeah. As you guys may have already noticed, we are in the city of Edmonton. That's where we're spending Canada Day weekend. Happy birthday, Canada. A country that has blessed us so much. There's no perfect society, but I'm not gonna lie, there's so much blessings that we have gotten since moving to Canada. It's very hard not to love this country. So happy birthday, Canada. Happy Canada Day to all the persons celebrating Canada Day. And yeah, we're gonna go and get some breakfast. So yeah, come along guys, you know how we do it. Let's see what Edmonton is looking like this morning.
Parking lot for your destination.
Yes guys, so we're at IHOP to get breakfast. No, we've never been to IHOP before. We always go to Denny's or Tim's. So this is the first time we're actually going to IHOP. So yeah, let's see, we don't know what to expect. $18? Oh, what do you get? All of that?
All of this.
That's a lot. Yeah, that's a lot.
We're supposed to just buy it and share it because I can't eat all of this.
No, that's not gonna be enough for two personal.
Yeah, I can share with my
Yeah. Sister?
That's it? Yeah, thank you. Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
Who are you talking to?
Isn't it hot? What pancake this?
Yes guys, so just had breakfast, to be honest.
Forgettable.
Really forgettable.
I'm still hungry. I feel like I had nothing.
Yeah. So that's our first time going to IHOP. Denny's all the way. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, Malia?
Here you go, mommy.
Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, so we're just gonna go downtown, Edmonton. Gonna just chill out a little bit and just have some fun. So we're just gonna take you guys on a little drive into downtown Edmonton. Don't forget to smash a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. You guys know the thing. Share. And again, happy Canada Day, guys. Let's go downtown Edmonton.
We're gonna rain out.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the rain finally started. We had to make a run for it. Everyone is wet. But I love the rain. But this rain feels different than the rain in Israel. Yes guys, so we went back to the hotel, started raining, fell asleep, long story. Anyways, we're now linking up with the Powells, you know a thing, Rochelle and Ray and the whole gang. A birthday party, so we're just gonna go and spend a little time. So that's the mission right now, alright guys, come along. Malika. Yes guys, so apologies, this vlog is all over the place, but that's how it is. We're trying to stay in the present, so sometimes we don't get to video everything. But now let me let Nat tell you. Where are we on our way to?
We are going to church.
First time going to church since being in Canada. Hello. Come on, Malika, in the elevator. So, of course, guys, forgive the extremely casual dress code. You don't see what I'm wearing either. But we were not planning to go to church this weekend, but Rochelle Powell invited us. If you don't know who Rochelle Powell is, go and check out her YouTube channel. She hasn't posted in a while, but she is living in the beautiful city of Edmonton. She's a Jamaican as well. And Rochelle invited us to church, so we decided that we're gonna accept the offer. Come on, guys. Come on. So we are late. It's now 11 o'clock. Our church starts at 11. But we are going to go and pick up the Anglins from Beaches to Snow. If you guys don't know who they are, check them out as well. They recently moved to Edmonton like 2 months now.
Yeah.
And they have their YouTube channel as well, From Beaches to Snow, where they vlog their experiences here in Edmonton, moving from Jamaica as well. Yeah, so this vlog, guys, this vlog is just all over the place. We've been having so much fun, but we've not been able to do much videoing because sometimes you video and you don't live in the present. So we decided to just live in the present for a couple of days, and then yeah, we're gonna show you guys what's left of our vacation. It's raining in Edmonton. Edmonton, what's wrong with this rain? Every time we come to Edmonton. Come on. Malika Jade, come on. No, that way. You notice every time we come to Edmonton,
It's always raining.
it's always too cold or snowing or Edmond, what's up with this weather? Come on now. So I'm gonna go and bring around the car for these girls and lady. Yes guys, so it's very overcast this morning. It's been raining all night. Still cold. Well, a bit chilly. I wouldn't say cold. A bit chilly. So I'm going to the car right now to take her around for Nats and the girls. Yeah. We're staying a couple of minutes outside of the city center. the Anglicans live close to downtown. So that's gonna take us like 15 minutes to get there. And then another 15 minutes to get to the church. So we're gonna get there like probably 11:30. A lot of you guys have always been asking me to, go to church. I'll show you guys what that is like. So don't forget to smash a like on this video if you like the video, alright? Is everyone in the church Jamaican?
Yes, Jamaican, Antiguan, Trinidad. Yeah. It's an island team.
Yeah. In the church feels like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica
Believe me,
right?
Since I found this church now, there's a few other persons that I know who's
Yeah.
You can introduce them and come.
Yeah, no, because we're all newcomers.
Okay. Oh, you guys just come on?
2 months ago.
Oh, brand new
Brand
members.
Yeah, newbies.
Yeah.
Yeah, we come in 2013. So this year is 10 years now.
Nice.
Straight to Edmonton?
No, first we come and go all the way to Lloyd Minister.
Edmonton's not that far.
That's right. Same brother. Yes,
Yeah.
right the border of Saskatchewan
Yeah.
and Alberta.
yes.
We were right on the border. So we spent 2 years there and then we moved to Edmonton.
Okay.
Right. And then a couple years after I find this.
We kind of the jackets.
Because when you go to leave out, you have to check weather.
No, we started already.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
In
And
Jamaica,
then you
And
have to
it's-
glimpse outside.
And 30 minutes getting dressed.
Yeah, man. Because this, your layers and...
When we just come in.
And I really like this community. It look really kind of quiet and... Yeah. It's nice though, I like it.
It's easy to reach up here, so by public transport.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
But like the church, man, it kind of give me a Jamaica vibe.
Yeah, we've been trying to find a church for the longest while, and you have one down the road from me, one Baptist church.
Yeah.
Baptist, they know different.
It's only one black
This is the first time.
Yeah, and them can't carry.
This is the first time we're going to church when we're in Canada.
It's on
By the way.
you? It's on you?
Hmm?
You're talking to the video on us.
I'm talking to you guys. Yeah, this is the first time.
I hope you liked it.
Yeah, we liked it. I'll come back.
It was nice.
Good.
It's nice.